EOH is the largest knowledge provider and a trusted advisor in consulting, technology, and outsourcing to businesses in Africa. It is the foremost provider of cloud solutions through a fully managed end-to-end hybrid cloud infrastructure.
I'm Barry, painting the CIO for Travel IT. Travel IT is an online travel management application. We were a startup a couple of years ago and we needed somewhere to house our technology. We were looking for a partner that could help us out. We didn't want to own any hardware. We wanted to completely virtualize our environment and put it into the cloud.
Travel IT were presented with a new opportunity to find a service provider that could support them in the deployment of their travel management application online system.
We engaged with EOH and they had the appropriate solution for us.
Probably the most important component was they didn't want to invest themselves in the infrastructure.
Being a startup, we wanted to keep the costs down. We wanted to focus on our core strengths, which was the development of the travel management solution.
They wanted something they could scale with their business.
The cloud solution that EOH provided allowed us to grow as we acquired the customers without having to go back to the board for CapEx each time. It's a pay-as-you-go solution, so as we grow, we pay for the resources that we consume. Even the licensing, we did as a SPLA model, which means that we were paying EOH cloud services for all the licensing costs and didn't have to engage with a third party for that.
With the growth in Travel IT's application on top of our infrastructure, we realized that it was important that they had a tiered approach to how their applications consume the storage. We provide Travel IT with 4 tiers of storage. Barry has the ability to deploy workloads at the front end for customers to be able to consume his online booking engine.
We have a fully virtualized environment running on solid-state disk.
This allows for high load, quick writes, and supports the growth on their business. We've also taken into consideration the backup of data, ensuring integrity and being able to replicate that data to multiple data centers.
We have a fully redundant solution that is able to back up from one data center to another data center. The data center that the EOH solution runs in is a vendor-neutral data center, which means that we have amazing connectivity out of that data center to any of the carriers.
It is not only important for EOH Cloud to provide 100% uptime on availability, but also to provide SLAs around performance.
Essentially what EOH has allowed us to do is concentrate on what we're good at. They have allowed us to keep our costs down and better service our customers.
Even though we have provided Barry with a fully managed service, both on the infrastructure layer as well as the operating and application layers, Barry can still manage the infrastructure and his applications with a single flick of a switch.
For more information, go to www.eohcloud.co.za.